You probably didn't see it coming, but Anthropic just changed the game for Wall Street. 2 months ago, they quietly rolled out their latest AI model, Mythos, to a select group of investors and traders. And now they've made it public. That's not just a software update, it's a seismic change in how financial markets operate. Mythos isn't just another AI tool. It's built to think like a human, to analyze data, and to make decisions in real time, faster and more accurately than any human could. The result? A sudden surge in market volatility. Some traders lost millions in seconds, while others made fortunes. How could one AI model cause such a ripple? Let's break it down. Mythos is a powerful new model, but it's not just about speed. It's about understanding context, risk, and opportunity in a way that no human ever could. And that's why Wall Street is still reeling. This isn't just another AI release. It's a new era in financial technology. And here's where it gets interesting. Anthropic is a top AI company, known for its Claude series. They've been working on a new model for months, but the real change happened when they rolled out Mythos to a select group of investors. This wasn't a demo, it was a live test. And what they found was staggering. Mythos could process financial data faster than any human, and it could predict market movements with uncanny accuracy. That's why some traders started using it in real time and others didn't. The result? A sudden spike in trading volume and a massive drop in market stability. It's like having a super smart trader on your team, but one that can act in milliseconds. But here's the twist. Mythos wasn't just making trades, it was learning from them. It was adapting, refining, and improving. That's why Wall Street is still reeling, because this AI isn't just a tool, it's a competitor. And that's why the financial world is watching closely. Because this isn't just about money, it's about the future of decision-making itself. So how exactly does Mythos work? Let's break it down. Mythos is a large language model, but it's built with a unique twist. Unlike other AI models that rely on static data, Mythos is trained on real-time financial data, stock prices, market trends, and even news feeds. That means it can adapt to new information as it happens. Imagine having a personal financial advisor who not only knows your portfolio, but also predicts how it will react to the next big news story. Mythos does that, but it does it faster and it does it better. It's like having a team of experts working 24/7, analyzing data and making split-second decisions. But here's the thing, Mythos doesn't just analyze data, it learns from it. Every trade it makes, every prediction it makes, it uses to improve. That's why it's so powerful. It's not just a tool, it's a learning machine, and that's why it's shaking up Wall Street. Because now the game is changing, and the rules are no longer set in stone. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a trader using Mythos during a major market event. The stock market is volatile. 1 second, a company's shares could be up 10%, the next down 5%. Mythos doesn't just react, it predicts. It analyzes the data in real time, and it can make a decision in milliseconds. That's why some traders are already seeing massive gains, but for others, it's a nightmare. They lost money because the AI made decisions faster than they could, and that's the real danger. Mythos is so fast, so accurate, that it can outperform even the best human traders. It's like having a super smart assistant who can make decisions faster than you can. But here's the catch. It's not just about speed, it's about strategy. Mythos can adapt to new trends, new data, and even new market conditions. It's not just a tool, it's a force. And that's why some investors are scared. Because now, the game is no longer just about who has the best data, it's about who has the best AI. And that's a huge change in the financial world. So why is Wall Street still reeling? Because Mythos isn't just a tool, it's a competitor. And it's not just competing with humans, it's competing with other AI models. Some traders started using Mythos, and now they are seeing massive gains. But for others, it's a different story. They lost millions in seconds because the AI made decisions faster than they could. That's the real danger of this technology. It's not just about speed, it's about unpredictability. Mythos can learn from every trade it makes, and it can adapt to new market conditions in real time. That means it can outperform even the best human traders. And that's a huge problem for traditional financial institutions, because now the game is changing. The rules are no longer set in stone, and that's why some investors are scared. Because now, the future of finance is no longer just about who has the best data, it's about who has the best AI. And that's a huge change in the financial world. So what does this mean for the future of AI in finance? It means that the game is changing. Mythos isn't just a tool, it's a force. It's not just about speed, it's about adaptability. And that's why some investors are scared. Because now the future of finance is no longer just about who has the best data, it's about who has the best AI. That's a huge change in the financial world. And it's not just about Wall Street, it's about the entire financial industry. Because now AI is no longer just a tool, it's a competitor. And that's a big deal. Because now the future of finance is no longer just about who has the best strategy, it's about who has the best AI. And that's a huge change in the financial world. And that's why we need to be paying close attention. Because this isn't just about money, it's about the future of decision-making itself. And that's why this AI model is shaking up Wall Street. And that's why we need to be watching closely. So what does this mean for you? It means that the financial world is changing faster than ever. Mythos isn't just a tool, it's a force. And that's why some investors are scared. Because now the future of finance is no longer just about who has the best data, it's about who has the best AI. And that's a huge change in the financial world. But here's the good news. This is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, it's going to become even more powerful. And that means that the future of finance is going to be shaped by AI in ways we can't even imagine. So, what should you watch for next? Keep an eye on how AI models like Mythos are being used in real-world financial applications. And stay ahead of the curve, because the future of finance is no longer just about who has the best strategy, it's about who has the best AI. And that's a huge change in the financial world. And that's why this AI model is shaking up Wall Street. And that's why we need to be watching closely.